Boys and girls, I'm super excited because today we're going to be using the Lego Duplo Imagine and Create set to create some really good things. But there's a twist. Before I create them, you have to guess what you think they're going to be. So let's get started. Okay, here's my first creation. What do you think this is going to be? All right, let's see if you're right. So, were you right? That's right, a helicopter. Okay, here's our next clue. What do you know that's orange and green? Let's see if you're right. What is it? That's right, a pumpkin. Okay, here's our next surprise. It's red and green. What do you know that's red and green? I'll give you a hint. It smells good. Let's see if you're right. What is it? That's right, a flower. Before we build some more cool things, if you haven't already, subscribe to Toys. It's totally free, and if you haven't yet, smash that thumbs up button. Thank you. Let's get to our next creation. Okay, here's our next clue. What can we build with all of this? This is a hard one, so I'll give you a clue. It's an instrument. Let's find out if you're right. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a guitar. Here's our next one. What do you think this can be? I'll give you a hint. It floats on water. What was it? That's right, a boat. Okay, what do you think this one's gonna be? Here's a hint, it keeps us warm when it's really cold outside. It's a house. Okay, here's our last one. What do you think this could be? Here's a hint. It's inside your body. What does it look like? That's right, a heart. Well, boys and girls, that's it for today. If you like what you saw, please smash that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to Toys. It's totally free. See you next time. Bye!